good day, sir and ma'am. I am Syra Lawigan, 24 years old from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I have a live-in partner and blessed with two children, ages 7 years old boy and a 5 years old girl. My highest educational attainment is a grade 12 graduate and I have a caregiver NC2. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years, since January 2020 to January 2024. I serve 4 members of the family, such as a couple, 1 child, and a 1 elderly. My main duties are maintaining the cleanliness of the house, cooking, ironing, laundry, and the taking good care of the child. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my family. Since, sir and ma'am, I am a first timer in Hong Kong, I am a fast learner and willing to learn. I can offer also tutorial to your children like teaching them how to read and to write. I am willing to learn how to cook your favorite dishes. I am hard-working person, trustworthy and lovable. As your helper, I will do my best to finish my contract, sir and ma'am. Have a good day. Thank you.